Maryland's eastern shore. Reporter John Gonzalez picking up our coverage live there from Ocean City. John, so let's talk about the biggest concerns from officials there this morning. What are they?
Well, Adam, good morning. Along the coast here in Ocean City, flooding is still a concern today, especially with all the snow that's going to be melting over the next several days. More inland here in the Ocean Pines community, for example, this is the problem. Take a look. It's dark, but there are power lines that are down. Hundreds of trees have fallen. This massive tree fell on this home as crews work to restore power. More than a foot of snow combined with powerful wind gusts and a strong coastal surge created treacherous conditions across Ocean City.
It hasn't been this bad in a long time, so it's definitely a wild one right now.
Scattered power outages left neighborhoods here in Ocean City and Delaware in the dark, and tens of thousands are without electricity throughout Delmarva.
We lost it about 10 o'clock last night. We saw a lot of sparks and a lot of loud noises through Fenwick. So, yeah, we lost it around 10 o'clock. And, yeah, we've just been riding it out. So,
how are you riding it out? How are you managing?
A lot of blankets.
Governor Wes Moore declared a state of emergency before the storm, activating dozens of National Guard troops to assist with storm response. Public Works crews alongside the Maryland State Highway Administration worked through the night, clearing Coastal Highway, but officials say roads remain hazardous. And the deputy city manager here in Ocean City tells us that they have been assessing infrastructure like this right here and prioritizing critical services. And of course, crews are still watching those storm drains today. As I mentioned, flooding could still be a problem here. Reporting live, John Gonzalez, 7 News.
So, John, the road there behind you there in Ocean Pines looks like it's been plowed out pretty good. What are the conditions of some of the other roads that you've seen out there late last night and this morning?
It's interesting. We set up right here because this is where this tree is on this home, and this main road that runs through Ocean Pines, very clear, not even wet really. But then you have some secondary roads in this neighborhood, and you can tell they haven't seen any plows. So much like at home, it is a bit hit or miss here in Ocean City as well.
All right, you and Mike continue to stay safe out there this morning and stay warm. John, thanks. Well, whether you are in Maryland, D.C., or Virginia, we want to see your snow day pics and videos. Just scan the QR code there on your screen to chime in. Thanks to Gina for sending us this video of the Ocean City Boardwalk there at 14th Street.
Adam, I think it's safe to say people in the Northeast have had enough of their snow days. They're digging out from this historic blizzard. Some areas saw 3 feet of snow. It was so bad that, get this, even some snow plows got stuck reportedly all throughout the region. How miserable is that? And the Boston Globe was not able to print a newspaper today. That's the first time this has happened in its 154-year history. Hundreds of thousands of people are without power this morning, but there are some slight signs of progress. Today, some public transit systems are slowly restoring limited service. New York City public schools, they're actually reopening in person today. And more than 10,000 flights were canceled yesterday. Some travel bans have begun to ease, and it's slow going at the airports. Just in the past hour, I saw a very tiny sliver of green pop up here in New York City. Some signs of hope that hopefully they're working towards restoring full service over there as the region, though, continues to clean up. They've got a lot of snow they're dealing with and some more snow on the way. So stay tuned to all this, folks.